Hi everyone! I have a Jackson's art haul for you today! Woohoo! Okay, so I didn't think this would be so big. I thought it would be like, you know, roughly around A4 size, but oh my goodness, look! It's huge! And like, there's things poking out, so hopefully nothing was missing. Hopefully nothing came out during transit, but like, oh my goodness, I'm so scared something got lost. I don't exactly, oh no, shaky camera. Okay, I don't remember what I bought from this, but I do know I bought this during the Schmincke sale, and what I got was the, you know what, let's just open it and see. Got my handy dandy scissors. Oh my goodness. I don't have energy. I'm not strong enough. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go barbaric. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, no more energy, guys. I'm sorry for the shaky camera, but yeah, the whole table is just... Okay, here we go. Open. Oh, it's like a folder. Oh, okay, let me slide the things out. Oh no, this is such a mess. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, what did I get? Is that it? Let me check. Oh, what's this? I don't remember that. And then there's a piece of paper which has my order and details on it. Okay, let's put these off to the side. I don't even remember what they are. Okay, so you know what? Let's go one by one. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. This will go last. Okay. First up, we have Eco Handmade paper. This is just a sample pack. Yeah, oh, I remember now. I think I got this because it says something about like, you know, handmade paper in India. And I thought that, hey, maybe it's from khadi paper and they just, you know, branded it as Jackson's. I don't know, so I wanted to try it to see if indeed it is, but taking a look at the texture right now, this doesn't seem like it's khadi. However, this kind of seems like khadi maybe, but rough? I'm not sure. We'll need to, oh yeah, it's extra rough. Okay. 300 GSM. Oh my goodness, that's thick. Okay, yeah, so I'll be taking a look at this later. Next up, what do we have here? Aha! Schmincke Horadam Aquarelle dot card. So yeah, I got this dot card because it was on sale, you know, and I know I want to no-buy this year, but let's address my no-buy later, shall we? Let's just enjoy the haul for today. But yeah, so I got this because, yeah, it was on sale, 20% off. Well, this year has been a big eye-opener for me in that I feel like experiencing some more dot cards made me understand, and it sort of enlightened me as to how useful a dot chart could be. So that's why I got the Schmincke one. I didn't think it would come in a plastic bag like this. Ziploc bag. And then it's also sealed. Okay. Oops. There we go. I thought it was just going to be this, this one. Oh, this is nice thick paper. Well, it's not paper, it's like plastic. Oh, what happened there? I hardly got anything. The dots are pretty small, but you know what? It should be good enough. Okay. I didn't get the super granulating dot card because I just feel like, you know, they're mixtures and it's fine. I don't mind. And I feel like with those, you need a lot of water to really see its beauty. So the dot cards, I feel like it might not be very useful or very informative. So yeah, okay, so one down. Well, this was one. This is two. Two down. What is this? Oh, they totally wrapped this up. Oh, I remember now. Oops. Sorry. Excuse me. Okay, they wrapped this up really nicely. I feel like they could have wrapped this and then put it all in the Ziploc bag, but yeah, I get it. Okay, so this first one is Old Holland Classic Watercolors, and it's their color chart. Woo! I'm really happy that this is how it turned out. On Jackson's, it was like black, so like the background was black, so I wasn't sure if it would turn out that way, but you know, it was only like 0.11 cents. Sorry, no, it was like 11 cents. So I was like, hey, it's cheap, might as well get it to, you know, like if I see anything interesting and then I could like write down the pigments myself. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a look at this later. And then, oh no, we'll take a look at this afterwards. Okay, next is this Holbein watercolor chart. I know they have this online for you to download and all that, but the reason I got Holbein is because there's a shop here in Thailand that sells Holbein watercolors in like 15 milliliter tubes, and I don't know, I just wanted a physical color chart for like reference sake, you know. If it was like a dot card, I would have preferred that, but this is okay, this is fine. They don't, yeah, it doesn't say, it doesn't have pigment information, but it's okay, I could write it on there myself. Oh, here. Yeah, pigment information is back here, but yeah, that's not very convenient. It's fine. Okay, and then we have the Schmincke Hordem. Again, you could, this is also a color chart and sort of like their brochure. Right? Yeah. Again, you could download this online, but I sort of wanted like a physical copy, and this was cheap. It was only like 10-11 cents. So yeah, I got that. And I completely forgot I ordered this. David Bellamy's Seas and Shorelines in Watercolor. So I've been really loving, like, you know, loose nature, sort of natural, you know what I'm trying to say. I can't think of the right words to say right now, but yeah, I you know what I mean. I've been really into those lately, like, you know, just nature scenes and stuff. So yeah. And you know, this isn't watercolor, this isn't pigment. This is gonna be like, you know, one for reference, one to learn from, and yeah, I'm really happy about it. I'm gonna read this by myself later, but I don't know. I've seen people do book reviews online, and I haven't seen a book review on this. I'd be happy to do a book review if anyone's interested, but how do you do a book review? I really don't know. Yeah, if you want a book review, I'd be happy to do that, but give me some time to, like, you know, go through, read it first. But let me know what I'm supposed to put in my book review if you're interested. Okay, there's that. So far we've all had like pretty flat things. That's why I thought the package would just come as like an A4 size, but Jackson's went all out and made like a huge A3, bigger, larger than A3 size package, but it's fine. Yeah. Guess what this is? I'm so excited. Where did my scissors go? Here we are. Okay. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Oh, okay. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Oh, what? Okay. I mean, okay, I was gonna say I would have preferred a plastic sleeve over this, but like, I guess we should not be using too many plastics, but you know, maybe, what about paper sleeve? You know, a paper sleeve instead of letting it rattle around, right? Anyway, so here's my, I'm not sure I'm liking that. Like, do you guys see that? It seems a bit like, look at the dots. It's like it's old or something. What is, I don't know if I'm gonna complain. Well, not complain, but like, I don't know. I'm going to have to see pictures online. So this is the Tintoretto Pure Squirrel retractable mop brush, and this is my first like legit travel brush. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, ready? Okay, there's a hole. That's good. I can't. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's a tight fit. Oh, it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty tight, but I guess if I use it pretty often, it'll loosen up over time. But yeah. So now there's. I don't know if I did that or if it came like that. Okay. Ooh, this is the number 4, by the way. Yeah, size number 4. Not bad, not bad. Oh my goodness. That's a tight fit. Yeah, that's really tight. Oh, it's a bit heavy on this side. This part seems to be like wood, the same type of wood as their regular handle here. Yeah, it's the same type of wood. I'm quite liking this. Okay, here we go. I haven't taken off the glue yet. This is still new. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I think I just have 2 problems with this. Is the dots that make it look like old. Like, I'm not sure if that's it or what. I'm gonna really have to take a look at pictures online. And this thing that's like so tight, right? There's a click sound, but I don't know. Does anyone have this or any of their retractable travel brushes? Is this how it is? Or like, what's up? It also has like notches around here, I think. Like, I guess, can you see? There's like notches. I'm not feeling anything when my finger rubs over it, but like, obviously there's notches, right? Okay. Well, that's it for my Jackson's art haul today. Not a whole lot of stuff, but I'm really happy with my purchase. So that's it for my Jackson's art haul today. Not so much today, probably just 1, 2, and 3. That's realistically what I bought. Everything else is just, you know, for reference and sample. Yeah, okay. I'll leave links to everything I bought below. And I think that's it. Yeah, don't forget to let me know if you want to see more of this book. I don't think I've seen anyone review it online, but yeah, if you do want to see it, do please let me know like what you want to see from it. I don't know, am I allowed to like go through page by page? I feel like that's not really, I don't know. Just let me know, guys. Guide me. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Ding ding.